G'day everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to my studio. Today's tip is how do you serve your customers better? Okay, I think a lot of people think, with a lot of importers and Amazon's like, how can I sell my product? How can I sell my product better? How can I get them to buy? And we're going to discuss that in today's video. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone, my name's Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to start an import-export business, an Amazon business for the last 10 years. And today's topic is how it's not just about you trying to sell your products to your customers. I think a lot of people they ask the question, well, how do I sell my product better? How do I get more people to buy my product? And how do I sell this particular person? Well, people don't like to be sold to, but they love buying. They love buying products. So instead of thinking, how am I going to sell this product to this person, think, how can I serve this customer? I think that's something that you look at Amazon and you look at Google and you look at Apple, right? They focus on what is in the best interest of the customer. How do I better serve them? And this is the type of thinking that you should, especially if you want to grow your business to a really, really big level. How do you serve your customers better? Because when you flip it like that and you start thinking, how can I serve them better? You'll find that you won't even need to sell. They'll sell themselves. Customers will sell themselves on buying your product. You have less objections and more sales. All right, so how do you serve better? Okay, and not only that, if you are serving better, you're going to get a lot of referrals and word of mouth, which is free advertising as well. It's always better to rely on referrals. I've got a colleague of mine, his whole business model is the referral model. And it's not like MLM or network marketing or anything. He just has this business where he sells his particular product and service, and he doesn't do any advertising at all, and already he is at his peak. He can't take any more clients because he's full up, right? He has to hire more staff. Because he has such a good model, such a good service to his customers, referral, people will say, hey, you should check this guy out, and they do, and they end up buying his product. So he flipped it as, how can I better serve my customer, and in doing so, deliver them the best service possible so they refer me. So this is kind of how you should be thinking about your product or service that when you're selling. So if you're importing from China or starting an Amazon business, what else can you do? And some examples is for example, drones. I've got 3 or 4 clients importing these high quality drones. So not only do they sell a drone, they give away for free a training program, a video training program showing them how to do tricks with the drones, how to fly the drones at faster speeds, how to safely operate a zone, how to avoid being litigated or sued by the council. So they educate them on where they can fly them, where they can't fly them, and they offer this value add. They don't sell this program. By God, they can, but they don't. And so they're adding an awesome value add to their particular product that they sell. So, and in doing so, they are getting referral marketing from that. It's like, this is such a great deal. You get a drone and you get a training program on how to do really cool tricks with your drones. So just think about that, guys. How can you better serve your customers, your clients, and customers, and get referral mouth? All right. So talk to you real soon, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you are wanting to share this video with someone else who'd be interested, I am very thankful for that. Have an awesome day. See you later.